YouTube GTR fans and GTR owners. So today's my birthday, and using an excuse to take the GTR out of the garage on this nice winter day in New England. So I've noticed, like, the Nismo Replica and Entune bumpers have been in the market for quite some time, but no one's really done a video on how it looks or install fitment and whatnot. So, since I've done this recently, I figured to give you guys a quick peek. So I did the full body kit minus the rear bumper due to cost reasons. This is a very expensive upgrade, but it turned out very nice. As you look at it, I have the carbon fiber version, so I left this unpainted so you can see the carbon fiber, but I did put a full clear bra on the full front. So yeah, it came out very nice. Like, they did a great job with the paint. There was not much fitment issues. You can see it's very flush, very OEM like. The shop that did it did glue the side markers. I guess they didn't know of the clips, so I'm kind of upset about that, because I do want to replace these with the JDM white lens, but I'll try to figure that out later. The reason why I picked the DBA 2015 to 2016 Nismo bumper, because one is you don't need the hood, and two, I kind of like this look a little better. It's a little more. I like the aggressiveness with, especially these like shark gills things. But yeah, like it's pretty neat. Like, you do need the DBA LEDs. You do need to replace this piece here, because it's the DBA one is slightly longer. I need the new grills, lower grill, upper grill. I kept the CBA emblem. It seemed to fit fine. I did do the Nismo OEM stripes. So you have all the this is all Nismo coloring. I did need a custom grill here because didn't want any leaves or stones or whatnot to get in there. But other than that, it came out very nice. Here's the side skirts. So very nicely flush with the car with the Nismo striping. I do have the stripes for the mirrors, but no one wants to, everyone says it's like impossible to wrap the mirrors black. So I think I'll probably do like one of those removable sprays, because I don't want to. I want to leave the original paint. So I'll probably get one of those like glossy, not glossy, but the other type of material. And maybe when it warms up in the springtime, paint this black and then put the Nismo red stripe around. So this is a CBA. As you see, everything fits well. Here's the wing. Yeah, really love the look. Full carbon fiber. This is a China replica, so not the Entune one. And just the original Nismo is just outrageously priced. I think it was like $12,000 for the wing alone, $20,000 or something for the front bumper, and probably another $12,000 for the skirts. The difference with the original and this one, I believe the center brake light would be, or should be, like a white lens, but this one had like a generic red lens. It works fine. Not perfect, but hey, it's a replica. What can you do? When I first bought it, I think this was not fully straight, so the body shop did had to fix that out. Other than that, it wasn't too much work. I did buy a full new trunk because I want to keep the original trunk intact with the wing in case I ever want to revert it back to the original. I do plan to keep the car for a long time, maybe forever, but always just in case, want to keep the original parts. Alright, so quickly show you, here's my daily, the Ultima. There's the original bumper, and there's the original wing and trunk lid. So as you see, the original is blocked off here, so you need that. This piece I opened up, but let me get the original. Alright, found it. It's in the box here. Bought this from Japan. I think it was about 80 bucks, and then you had to pay shipping. So yeah, front bumper, skirts, and the wing. My friends keep telling me that I need to get, you know, some aftermarket wheels. I think I'll eventually get to it. These are the DBA wheels. I do have the Mines center caps, and just like matching, the matching color to the Brembo brakes. Quickly show you what else I've done. Did the black edition door handles, custom rubber floor mats for weather issues. Here's the original Nismo, I don't know, shifter, and then black edition knob. There's the other black edition door handle. Here's the DBA carbon fiber system. I had to take the whole thing out. You pull this out, pop all these pieces out, and take the whole unit out, and I place it back in. I haven't done the bottom piece yet. Eventually, and then I can get a newer screen. Want to do the steering wheel eventually, and maybe do that. But alright, let me pop the hood. So I got AMS downpipes. There's the Nismo engine cover. I have inlets, intakes, so pretty much full bolt on. And the Overtake exhaust, probably one of the nicest exhausts out there. I wanted the Nismo one, but this is 100mm 4-inch piping, so you can see it's kind of covered, but you can see the titanium, full titanium mid pipe all the way to the cat back. Alright, so let me turn the car on to give you a nice nice exhaust note. That's the Overtake exhaust with the AMS downpipes. Yeah, such a beautiful car. I love it. Awesome performance, and this is pretty much my dream car here. But yeah, I also forgot to mention there's the lip has the brake coolers, so more aerodynamic. So yeah, if you like this video, click the like button. Please subscribe. I love to help car enthusiasts and just general car how-to videos. And if you've noticed, I'm a huge Godzilla fan. Not just this Godzilla, but the monster Godzilla. So I do Godzilla figure and movie reviews, so feel free to check those out as well. Alright, so here's gforever signing off.